Hey everyone, I'm going to try a new removal method for my Color Street nail polish. This is Mineral Fusion Nail Polish Remover. It is non-acetone and I've heard that it's very, very gentle on nails, especially sensitive nails. So I figured I would give this a try. So this is the Mineral Fusion Nail Polish Remover. This is regular tap water that's warmed up. And then I have a sandwich baggie and I've put I'd say roughly about a tablespoon of the Mineral Fusion in the baggie. And as you can see, I've already tried this on a few nails and it seems to work really, really well. These are my Christmas designs and I've had these on for about a month. So I'm going to remove these. So what you do is you put your hand in the remover and then you put your hand in the warm water and you just want to rub your nails. Oops, sorry, I got the bag in the way. You just want to rub your nails with the remover, and you want to make sure the water doesn't get into the Ziploc baggie. So you might want to use a little bit of a bigger baggie. I'm using a regular size sandwich bag. And you just want to move the remover around on your nails, and it should take about a minute or so, maybe two. And I'll pull it out in just a minute and show you the progress. And here's, so far, so good. Just going to put it back in the remover and back in the water. And you can feel it on your nails when it starts working. And make sure that none of the water gets in the bag with the remover. This is great for those layered looks or the extra glitters. I haven't tried this yet with any other nail polish removers, so I'm not sure if it would work with your regular store-bought removers, but the Mineral Fusion you can get on Amazon for, depending on this sale, anywhere between $4 and $8. Let's take that out. I'm going to leave this hanging over the edge so I don't spill anything. And there we go. And I'm going to dry my hand because it's all wet with the remover. And it is all done. This is probably the fastest removal method I have found. I do have a few others that I like. If you want to shoot me a message, I'd be happy to answer any questions. Now, I do recommend with any nail polish remover that you wash your hands right after you are finished, because it can dry out your skin, and I like to moisturize because my skin tends to be very dry. I like to moisturize right away. Thank you. Like and subscribe.